Good morning. Today in this video I am going to show you that how to make a world smallest fire alarm, and this is very easy to make. Few components are used. I show you that what are components using this. First we use this is a 9-volt battery. Second, this is a fire switch. Third, we see that this is a buzzer. Okay, circuit diagram is here. You can take screenshot of the circuit diagram. Okay, I see my 9 fire alarm. I make this earlier. The world's smallest volume fire alarm. This is about 5 centimeter long and 5 centimeter height from height, length and centimeter long. Very easy to make. Okay, my batteries are in my battery. I put this inside this here. This inside. There is a clip. You see. Okay, how to use this? I'll show you that. Okay. Take some matchsticks and burn this. This is my fire switch. This is my buzzer. This is my 9-volt battery. Okay, I burned the fire switch to what? You hear some noise. 1 minute. Okay, I burn this and I bring hot this. Oh my god, very hot. Okay, new fire stick. Oh, it will automatically noising. When it become cool, it will stop. Oh, it will stop because it become cool. So please, thank you for watching me. So thanks for watching. Like me, subscribe me. Thank you.